Kelly, welcome back to my channel. If you have like never ever seen me ever before, my name is Kelly. It is so nice to meet you. I hope after this video you will stay a while, become part of the family we call the McMafia right here on my channel. If you would like to be extended a membership to the McMafia, all you must do is press the subscribe button to join that crew. Today I will be showing you how I will be packing all of these clothes right here behind me. In my how to pack a perfect carry-on video, I talked about more so like your carry-on item, like your carry-on bag, not necessarily your carry-on luggage. In this one, I'm going to be showing you how I will pack for a 10-day, multi-location, two-location trip on just a carry-on bag alone. I'm not checking any bags. I don't believe in checking bags. I don't like doing it if I don't have to. Traveling itself is like stressful enough, especially if you're going through like multiple kinds of transportation, like airplanes, trains, Ubers, whatever. Guarantee you're probably gonna be taking an Uber at some point. And lugging a bunch of bags all the time, really, it's not for me. So usually I'll have one piece of actual luggage with all of my clothes in it, and I will have one carry-on bag that has my toiletry items, plus some other things. If you wanted to see what is in that bag, I will link that video right here of how to pack a perfect carry-on. This video was actually inspired by one of you out there, my viewers, and hopefully a subscriber as well. I will have to find the comment. If I can find it, I will put it right here. Shout out to you, girl. So this is my luggage bag. Samsonite. I got it at TJ Maxx for about $60. It has the 4 rolling wheels at the bottom. I definitely suggest this if y'all have not converted over to the 4 wheels, like just, it's amazing. Like it's amazing. So my first piece of advice when it comes to packing is just put it all out there. Get it very visual and put it into categories. I will show you right now all my different categories that I do for this specific trip. This is a hot trip. So I'm gonna have a lot of bathing suits, a lot of dresses, skirts, rompers, things of that nature. So I will show you that in this clip. Okay, so there's a little bit of organized chaos, but I'm kind of gonna go through everything that I have laid out here. So first, I mean, honest to goodness, like it's really removing the stuff from my last trip. Napkins for days, you never know when you need a napkin. Okay, so on the inside of my bag, I have 2 pockets just like this. One is mesh and one is like a plasticky. And then this is the inside. There are some of these straps. I usually never use those straps. Just an FYI. So personally, I like to start with things that I know I'm not gonna be like grabbing for initially, and that can go on the bottom of the bag. So I'm gonna start with things like thicker sweaters. I know I'm going somewhere warm, so I'm not gonna necessarily need that like right off back. I'm also gonna grab like this duster. This is kind of like a if I need it piece. Just to give you like a closer view of what I'm doing like actually in the bag. I had them like folded up originally. I kind of just like folding them flat. This one is a really thin material, so I can get away with it being just like a bottom layer of my bag. Next, also I'm gonna grab another thinner long sleeve item, something that I know I'm not gonna be grabbing for the second that I get there. Next, I'm gonna move on to items that I know I am gonna be wearing pretty often, but are a little bit heavier and a little bit thicker. Like all of these shorts. I packed 4 pairs of shorts. Those are going in next. I originally had them all laid out like this, but I am going to fold these a little bit smaller right in the corner of my bag. Next, I'm gonna come in with a heavier item, jeans. I'm gonna have them folded just like this in half and fill that bottom piece again. I have all of my heavier items down at the bottom of the bag. I have my jean shorts, I have my long sleeve shirts and a sweater, and I have 2 pairs of jeans. Next items I'm gonna grab, I have this like black tank top, this camo shirt, and another like really thin t-shirt crop top. These are not necessarily going to be like the highlight of my outfits, so those are just gonna go in right in here in the corner, and I just have those folded in 4. Notice I'm like pushing things down as I put in there. Where there's air, there's space. Next, I'm gonna grab more shorts. These are like thinner material shorts, ones that I'm gonna wear like over a bikini or maybe just chilling around the pool. Those are very thin, but I'm gonna keep my shorts together, and a skirt. So now as you can see, I have a lot of space right here. This corner is pretty filled to the top, which is fine because I can see exactly what I want out of it when I pull everything out. Next, I'm actually gonna take my largest pile. Right here next to my shorts, I have a big open space. These are very thin, but I have a lot of them. These are all dresses. I know, you guys, I did too much, but I'm going somewhere tropical. I needed color. So as you can see, these are pretty long dresses, long sleeved, long flowy dresses. I am going to fold them in half at the front, in half again, catching everything as it falls out, and then in half again. These are like pretty silky, so they may just like fall on each other, which is totally fine. Also pressing them down as I put them into the bag. These I really want at the top of the bag because these are like full outfits, something that I can grab very quickly if I really need to just put on some clothes and go. Next bigger pile, these are really thin, but also I do have a stack of them. These are all of my bodysuits. These are now 5 bodysuits. So I have 5 bodysuits, 6 dresses, 4 pairs of shorts, 2 pairs of thin shorts, 2 skirts, 1 crop top, a long sleeve shirt, 2 jeans, and I'm missing something, but these are all in this bag. 10-day trip, don't judge me. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide those into this nice little corner pocket right here. So on the right side of my bag, I'm pretty filled to the top. Not so much anything crazy. This side, I definitely have at least another 2 layers of clothes to go on there. I'm kind of putting everything in either rectangles like this or squares. So guys, I have 3 more dresses. These ones are casual dresses. These ones are like we're going out, we're going to a nice dinner. So I'm not judging you. Don't judge me. I'm going to put them right here at that top corner. Next, I have this pretty thick, taking up a bunch of space romper. I have a nice little corner right here. I am just going to squish that right into that corner. So as you can see, everything is kind of in blocks. I have a block right here, 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 and here. So all that I have left are pajamas. Pajamas are one of the things that I actually, Shady Chris, love it. Pajamas are probably the one piece of clothing, or a clothing category I should say, that I actually will like unpack my bag when I'm at the hotel and put them in some drawers. I don't really necessarily like, let me come down here and talk to you guys. I don't necessarily like unpacking my clothes completely when I go on vacation. This is totally like personal preference, but that's why I pack the way that I do, so that I can see exactly what I need and pull it out of this bag, because I will be living out of this bag. This stuff right here though, I don't really mind if I like leave it per se. It's just like pajamas. So I will put this on the very, very top because I can just take that out, move it out of the way, put it into those little drawers at the hotel. Shady Chris. Yes, I made this shirt on my channel. I will put the link right here so you can see how I did that. So right here I have a little bit of space. I'm actually gonna just take these like bralette type things and just roll them up and just kind of squish them into that corner. They can both go and be friends together. So all I have left now are like bathing suits and a bunch of different like headbands and fun scarves. Those can pretty much go wherever, but I'm gonna take advantage of the top part of this bag. I'm just gonna stop for a second because I wanted to show you one other thing that I had in my bag from my last trip. These are plastic bags. I like to put at least 2 plastic bags inside of my bag. 1, because I can use them for dirty clothes, and 2, I can also use them to cover up shoes that I will be putting in here. Trust me, shoes will fit. We're getting there. You're like, what about the shoes, Kel? They're coming. I'll go ahead and take advantage of this nice little space I have down here and just stuff all of my bikinis in there. Hey, so also in that top pocket, I kind of fast forwarded through it because I was packing my underwear and bras, and that was just a little weird filming that, but I have about 15 pairs of underwear and 4 bras that are also in there. I'm not gonna lie guys, when I'm on vacation, there's not a lot of bras happening. Just saying, it's hot. So for this trip specifically, because I'm gonna be on the beach, I'm honestly not gonna be wearing shoes that often. So I decided that I'm going to be minimal. I'm going to bring 3 pairs of sandals and 1 pair of sneakers. The sneakers I'm gonna be wearing to the airport, so I'll have those on my feet. I don't have to worry about putting them in my carry-on bag because they will be on my feet, as they should be, because they're just too big to put in my bag anyway. But 3 pairs of sandals, and this is how I packed my sandals. So I'll just take my pair of sandals and I will like slide the back into each other. And of course this depends on the pair of sandals, but I definitely like to be able to get them just like this and just slide them into one another. Go ahead and take one of those plastic bags, slide those jokers right in there, cover them up, and put them right on top. Second pair, just some regular slides, perfect for the pool. Same thing, gonna slide them right into each other just like this. Second pair. Just in case we go out, I have some small heels. These are just gonna go flat into the bag. One right here. One right here, and right on top. So I have everything inside of my bag for my 10-day trip. Push that joker down. Yes, success. That was pretty good. Hey guys, so that was like actually really successful. I'm glad that worked out, but that is like my normal pattern of packing. I always think, what am I gonna take out first? Where am I gonna put it? And then I just like stack everything in squares. I have tried the rolling techniques and I've seen and heard, you know, plenty of people that do that. It just doesn't really work for me, the whole like rolling thing, and it just takes too long for me. So like normal folds, half folds, laying things completely flat in the bag works best for me. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys want to see any other travel videos that you can think of that you would like to see that are not on my channel already. If you have not watched my how to pack the perfect carry-on bag video, definitely go and watch that. All right guys, I hope that you've joined the McMafia by now, and it was really nice to talk to you guys. I hope you guys have any trips planned. I hope you guys have trips planned, not any. I hope you have lots. I hope you have several summer 2018 trips planned. I will be vlogging my next trip for the first time, so look out for that. I'm excited.
If you don't like the way I talk, then why am I on your mind? If you don't like the way I rock, then finish your glass of wine.